in the whole Europe, European elections are seen as a second-hand election, something like that, so a less important election. But the estimation is that only about 30% of people will vote, which is very, very few. But they are very important because we are trying to build something in common, to have a united Europe, and the European Parliament has more and more power as time passes on. So it's very important that we have to choose who is running a business in Brussels. I'm not very idealistic. I know there are many problems. I try to have a very pragmatic approach, to have some results and to get things done as well as we can, because there are very many problems. There is a lot of corruption in politics, a lot of people who don't care, and so on. But if no one gets involved, nothing will change. So we are trying, but on the long run, to have really real change. Maybe not something as spectacular as Yes We Can Obama style, but something like in 10 years or 20 years to have a much better political class. Let's hope we will succeed.